vlogging?
No.
Hi, it's too early.
I just did a hi vlog.
Like and subscribe. My name is Sasha.
Vlog. Your girl is certified 1 through 6.
Hi. So we just checked in at Varsity U. Jesse got his certification done already, and the rest of us are sitting here nervous.
Not so nervous anymore.
Yeah, we got some good news, so it should be easier than we thought, but we didn't have to do it in a group.
They were really nice, which is helpful. All they want to do is make sure that we can communicate with our kids and they understand.
And they wanted us to pass.
Yes.
So that was good. But we both passed. I passed. If I passed, you passed. She just didn't tell you. And then the rest of the coaches are in right now, and hopefully they do well too.
They should. If we did well,
They'll be fine. I'm just glad to have it over with.
yeah.
For real.
Now we can stop stressing out. Now we can have a little more fun and learn a little more this weekend.
Right? The hard part is over. There's 5 of us. Hi! Who passed? Me. I passed. Who passed? I'm just kidding. Hi, Fiona. Yes, Fiona. Like these queens. So we're at our conference. It's the first morning, and there'll be a lot of classes. Fix my hair. It's fine. Yeah. What are we doing today, Kelsey? Stuff. Yes. Yeah, we're gonna sit in class all day pretty much, but hopefully we'll learn a lot. So.
For not meant for comfort, I just established. Because you guys only have Varsity, right? It's really cool though. Yes! Yummy!
Staff dinner, Italian.
Are you eating pasta?
Tons of pasta.
Are you eating carbs?
All the carbs.
All the carbs. Looks so cool. That does look cool. Oh. Good morning. It's Saturday. Hi vlog. It's Saturday and why do I look so weird? It's Saturday and we are up so early. We had to get up, what? It's like 6:20 when you woke me up this morning.
Yeah, but I was supposed to wake you up at 6:15. You just wouldn't get out of bed.
So this morning we have a breakfast before the conference, and then we have classes all day long. But today's classes I'm actually really excited for.
Yeah, super
They're gonna be
excited.
really good. Yesterday's classes were really good.
Yeah.
Except for the rules. The rules one was a little bit boring.
It was rough.
but it's like one of those like necessary evils. So
Well, here's to another great day. Last day.
and then tomorrow we go home. Are we ever gonna sleep again? I feel like I haven't slept in
I don't know
years.
her. What is sleep?
Sleep? Who is she?
Who is she?
Still made it back this morning. Most of you. I know there are some of you sitting out here that didn't make it back so early this morning, but you made it.
Morning. We're getting ready to go home.
Yay.
And Sarah pulls out her leftovers because she wanted to eat them on the plane.
Oh yeah, they're fantastic. Let's see.
Just some pasta
You know,
from the
it's
restaurant.
really, really good.
Looks delicious.
So good. It was so good. Are you ready for it? I'm gonna have a bite. It's gonna be fantastic. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. It is an ice cube.
It's frozen solid.
An ice cube. And
Orange
on
is
top
frozen
of it,
too.
my fantastic breakfast of an orange.
Also frozen.
Fantastic.
Hey vlog, it's too early, so I didn't greet you.
Jesse, what are you drinking?
A vanilla latte with soy milk, small, over ice, from Starbucks Las Vegas.
Oh, vegan.